Hello Miri learners! Welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the answers of the video A and some and any. Hola Miri learners, bienvenidos a este nuevo video. Yo soy Miriam y hoy vamos a ver las respuestas al video A and some or any. Empecemos. Here we had to write A or an. Let's see. A refrigerator. Why a? Because refrigerator starts by a consonant. A desk, a platform, an state. Here we need an because it starts by vowel. An error, a ladder, a passenger, a potato, a growth, a child, a difference, a disease, an ear. Why an ear? Because ear starts by vowel sound, ear. An application, a philosophy, a recording, a priority. Here again we have to fill in the blanks with a or an. A heart is small. Why a? Because here we have heart. This H sounds hard, so we need a because this is a consonant sound, hard. Second, she invited me to a session. 3. We have to watch a new series. 4. Tell me an actor you admire. Here we have a vowel, actor, so we say an actor. 5. I'm going to buy a recording. 6. I need an initiative from you. Here we have a vowel, again, an initiative. 7. An event will be celebrated soon. A boy talked to me today. I'll give you an advice. Today I want a hot meal. Again, hot has a consonant sound, so we need a hot meal. And last exercise, here we have to complete with some or any. First, she has some flowers. Why some? Because it's in plural and affirmative. Second, you have some computers. 3. There aren't any chairs here. Why any? Because it's in negative. 4. He hasn't got any flour. Why any? Because it's in negative and flour is uncountable. 5. I need some fruit. Why some? Because it's in affirmative and fruit is uncountable. 6. We buy some water. Again, water is uncountable, so we need some. 7. They sell some biscuits. Biscuits is in plural, so we need some. 8. She doesn't have any lemons. Why any? Because it's in negative and it's plural. 9. There is some chocolate. Why some? Because chocolate is uncountable and it's in affirmative. And 10. There aren't any eggs in the fridge. Why any? Because it's plural, eggs, and the sentence is in negative, aren't. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.